Hi, boys and girls. Remember when we were reading the books about Curious George? He's so funny. We're going to read a new Curious George book today, but first I want to go over some of the vocabulary words with you. Okay, let's take a look at the first word. You know that. Did you say go? You got it. You were right. That's fine. This. Okay, now this word rhymes with me. The word is be. For is. Okay, we knew the word now. This word is how. This one's hard. Here and will. Now we're ready to read our story. This is Curious About the Animal Park. And I'm looking at the cover and I see an eagle. We might see an eagle in an animal park or at a zoo. What other animals do you think we might see in this story? Okay, we're seeing a lot of our old vocabulary words here. There's Curious George, and he is looking at a lion. That looks like a female lion. She's called
Lioness.
a lioness. Animals will be here. I find this lion. Now take time to point to the words and read the story to yourself. Now, Curious George is looking at a turtle. That turtle looks really big. The words say, I find this turtle. I see how big it is. Now point to each word and read to yourself. Oh, there's the eagle. The words say, I find this bird. I see how big it is. That big bird is an eagle. Uh-oh, Curious George is starting to look a little scared here. The words say, I find this snake. I see how big it is. Point and read to yourself. Uh-oh, now Curious George is running away. Why is he running away? I find this bear. It is too big for me. I will go now. Read the words to yourself. Now, boys and girls, can you think of another wild animal that you might see at the zoo or the animal park? Get your journal, draw a picture of that wild animal, and write a sentence to tell me about the animal. Have a great day. Bye-bye.